next point is think in English, right? You have to think. If you have to speak like a native, you have to think like a native, which means you have to think in English. If you're planning your next day and you kind of doing the planning in your mind and you say कि मैं कल सुबह 8 बजे उठूंगा, फिर 8 बजे मैं एक्सरसाइज करूंगा, I'm just giving an example. उसके बाद मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करूंगा, उसके बाद मैं काम शुरू करूंगा. And if you're planning this thing in your mind, plan it in English. So instead of thinking कि मैं कल सुबह 8 बजे उठूंगा, you can always say that in your mind that I'm going to wake up at 8 in the morning, then I'm going to exercise for an hour, followed by a nice hot cup of tea and some yummy breakfast, and then I will start with my work. The best part is, aap hi yahan pe, I mean, you're the speaker and you're the listener, right? So there's no one judging you. Even if you speak wrong English, you can correct yourself in your own mind. And trust me when I say this, we come to know of our mistake as soon as you make it. And there are people like me who go back and then figure out that why we made a mistake and what's a better way to say the same thing. So it's a brilliant idea to think in English so that at least your thinking capabilities rise up to that level. And then what happens is, how do you produce language? You think and then you produce. If you think in English, then you convert it to English and then you produce. Then it's a 3-step formula, right? But if you eliminate the thinking in Hindi formula and you swap it with thinking in English, then it becomes a 2-step whole outcome, the whole outcome, right? You just think in English, you produce in English. So you're just reducing the number of steps and improving the language. So it's a twofold advantage. Yeah. Next is improve your pace and clarity. Very important, intonation, right? Which is the rise and fall of your speech. It not only makes the language worth its while, but it also makes it easier for the listener to understand you. You need to know when to stress, when to unstress on words so that you make utter sense. Improving the pace and clarity is one of the proven ways of building your fluency. Yeah.